Okay, so this is where I've got the vxdiag up. It installs great app, that's because I've just tried it. If I go back into it again, BMW ICOM, I'll click install. The device license for this application is invalid or expired. Right, and that's because it doesn't find the device and it can't check anything. Okay, so reconnect, no device. Device test, no device. Restart, no device. It's pretty much the same. Try to unlock. Check device IP. Don't know what this does. Oop, doesn't move once. Can't connect. Okay. Device not connected. I'm sure that's what I'd use to get the IP address. Connections order. It won't let me put anything in there because it's telling me connect the device. So okay, let's just close it back off. You'll see I have the ICOM all connected up as usual, but it's just not working.